Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to play Subway Surfers online with friends. So if you want to play the games with friend, like you compete with them, you make more score with them, or you just want to enjoy the game with them, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to make sure you have the Subway Surfers app, then simply click onto its icon to open it. Once it gets open, then it will just take a while into the loading. And once the loading gets done, then it will open. Then initially you just have to simply click onto it and start playing. And once the game gets stopped, then you will get to this page. Now here mostly you will see the option for connect to Facebook. But let's say you couldn't find it. Then you have to click onto that settings icon. Then you will see this option for Facebook. Click on to connect and it will connect your Facebook account with your Subway Surfers. So if you have any friends that play Subway Surfers and they are also your friends on Facebook, so their score and their profile will be there on Subway Surfers. And once you have connected to the Facebook, then simply start playing. And once you're playing, then you will see the record or the score of your friends on the right side. So by that you play more and you get more score than that. So you will get the idea that you're competing with your friends or you have made more score than your friends. And your friends also will be able to see your score as well. If you want to see all of your friends score, you can just simply get back and click on top run, and then you will go to friends section, and there you will find all of your friends. You will be able to see how much score they have made, and in the chart like where do you stand, where your friends stand, if your friends have more score to you or not, and all that. So that's how you can play Subway Surfers online with your friends. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.